Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to find the arc length of a circle. So given the central angle, here it's 240 degrees, swept out around here, we're going to figure out how to find the central angle and then the arc length from that. So the central angle, again, is just 240 degrees, that's given. And what we're going to do is we're going to set up proportions that are part over whole for both sides. So we're going to ask ourselves, the arc length, what am I finding? I'm finding part of the circumference. So I'm going to put x over my circumference is 2 pi r. So part of the circumference is what I'm looking for. Over the whole circumference is 2 times pi times my radius of 16. So that's part of the circumference over the whole circumference. And now we're going to do part over whole with the degrees. So the part that we're looking for has a central angle of 240 degrees. Over my whole circle is 360 degrees. And then I could cross multiply. So I would take 360 times x equals, now 2 times 16 is 32. So 2 times 16 is 32. Maybe I should move this over. So 360 times x equals 32 pi times 240. And my very last step, I could divide by 360 on both sides. That's going to reduce the 360 over here, so that gets rid of that. And I'm left with 32 pi times 240 over 360. So 32 pi times 240 over 360, which is about 67.02 feet. Let's try one more. Let's try number 10. We're going to find our arc length. So part of the circumference is what I'm looking for. So the whole circumference is 2 pi times radius of 10. And then again, part over whole. Part of the circle is 60, the whole circle 360. So we can cross multiply. 360 times x equals 20 pi times 60. And I can divide both sides by 360 to reduce that left side, get the x by itself. And that would be, if I type that into a calculator, 20 pi times 60 over 360, 20 pi times 60 over 360 is 10.47. All right, so that's how I would find the arc length. If you need to check out the sector area video, that's coming up next.